Hey guys, for this one, we are going to be dividing. So the first number is our dividend. So it is going to go into the den. First number goes in the house, dividend. Then the number on the outside is our divisor. And then our answer will be our quotient. So for this one, we need to slide, baby, slide, because we have a decimal in the divisor. So we're going to slide the decimal twice back because there's two places behind the decimal in the divisor. So we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to slide it back twice. Because there's not a number here, we need to add a 0, and then our decimal will be here. I always like to rewrite it just to kind of clean it up. So our decimal's in the back, and then we're going to raise the roof and bring our decimal straight up. So you slide, baby, slide. You're going to move it over however many places in the divisor, and then you're going to raise the roof and bring your decimal straight up. So 15 does not go into 7, so I'm going to put a 0 as a placeholder just because it helps me keep it all lined up. So 15 goes into 75 5 times. Bring down your 9. 15 goes into 9 0 times. I have 9 left over. Bring the 0 down. 15 goes into 90 6 times. Sorry, a little bit off to the side with 0 left over. So our final answer is 506. So that 0 did have to go in there because 15 didn't go into 9, but it did go into 90. The answer isn't 56, it's 506. So because the 0 is in between place values, it does matter. So remember, your decimal is at the end, and we can just leave it there. We can have it or not, either way. So our final answer is 506. Remember, if for some reason we had a remainder here, you would add a 0 into the divisor, into the dividend, and then bring it down and keep dividing. I usually go about 3 place values and see if it's a repeating or terminating decimal. But then you can go ahead and see what it is as a decimal. We're not going to put up any remainders. We're going to keep dividing for a little while. So go ahead and do number 8 and then check the key.